Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be straightening my hair, as you saw by the title. And y'all, I have not straightened my hair in 2 years, and that was with a professional, and I haven't actually straightened it with my own hands since 2014, and I was damaged then. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys the process, and y'all know I'm really big on educating you guys on how to do things, especially when it comes to not getting heat damage. I also want to mention that this video is sponsored by Flawless by Gabrielle Union, and if you guys don't know who Gabrielle Union is, she is an actor, an author, and an entrepreneur. She has multiple businesses, and this is one of them. And also her friend Larry Sims also helped create this collection. So I am super excited to dive into these products because I wanted something geared towards protecting your hair from damage. And you guys know your regular natural hair products, they have a ton of oils and stuff in them. So you need to get things that are actually specific to protecting your hair from damage. So let's just get started, y'all, because I'm kind of excited to see how long my hair looks and all that good stuff. I'm gonna start off with something, I guess, a little bit unconventional, because I'm going to start off with my deep conditioner. And the reason that I'm doing that is because I don't want a lot of moisture on my hair when I go to like blow it out and stuff like that. So I just like to start with my deep conditioners first. And they have a 3-minute restoring conditioner, which love this. Ain't nobody trying to sit on a dryer for 15 minutes for this process, especially when you're straightening your hair. And they also have a restoring exotic oil treatment, which I am going to combine with the 3-minute conditioner. Now my hair is not as dry as it looks, let's just say that, but it's a little dry. So I'm just gonna section it off into 4 sections. All right, y'all, so my hair is sectioned off, and I'm just gonna wet it just a little bit with some water. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of this on my hands, about that much. And I'm also gonna add a few drops of the oil. And this is the consistency. It has a lot of slip, which y'all know I love. Don't nobody wanna sit here all day with some heavy product trying to get it to penetrate. So go ahead and just add this. All right, y'all, so that really melted into my hair. This deep conditioner is really going to help with restoring the moisture back into your hair and repairing damage. So honestly, this feels really good. And it also protects your hair from future damage, which is why we are using this. I have applied all of the deep conditioner and the oil mixture to my hair all over. It has already been 3 minutes, but I am gonna go ahead and let this sit another 3 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse this bad boy out in the shower and immediately go right in with the Hydrating Co-Wash Cleansing Conditioner. And I love that this is a co-wash because I do want to get the deep conditioner out of my hair, but I also want to do a light little cleansing. So this is going to be perfect for just making sure that I cleanse my hair so I don't have a ton of oils in it that's gonna like have my hair looking way down or anything like that. And after that, we're gonna come back and we're gonna get started because I'm kind of ready to see my hair straight. All right, y'all, so I just washed the 3-minute conditioner out, and I shampooed, and also I sprayed the leave-in conditioner while I was in the shower. Y'all know I like to do that, and I love that it was a spray because it wasn't thick. It's not gonna leave a residue or anything. Love that. So I also plaited my hair up into 4 plaits, and I do that just to get a lot of the additional moisture out of my hair, and I went ahead and tied it up in this microfiber towel. So my hair is damp, which is what I want. Now that I'm looking like Pop Smoke in this thing, let me just clip this up because we are about to start blow drying. As y'all can see, my hair is nice and stretched, but my hair is still wet. So I'm gonna take this out And while my hair is damp, I'm gonna go in with the Smoothing Blow Dry Cream. Y'all, I've never really had a blow dry cream before, but I really like the concept of this. Now this is going to add some heat protectant and some shine. All you need is a little bit of this. You do not need a lot. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands, and then I'm just gonna smooth this in to my hair. I am going to be using my Dyson dryer, and I'm gonna be using it with the comb attachment. Y'all should already know this is bae, and I'm gonna really turn it up so I can really get this done. I'm actually gonna put this on the medium heat flow and the highest airflow setting. So it's time to blow dry, friend. This section is done, nice and sleek, and it feels so soft. My blowout has really never felt this soft. I don't know why I feel so soft right now, but looks nice and flowy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this up because I wanna just let that stay stretched. And I'm gonna move on to the next section. Now I'm gonna do this throughout every section, and then I'm gonna come back so we can start straightening. Okay guys, so I have blown out my entire head, and like I showed y'all earlier, I just rolled everything up so that I can, you know, let them cool down. Now of course this one is already cool, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take this down. What's good about me twisting it is that it is nice and smooth, and it allowed itself to cool down, and as you can see, it looks a little bit straighter. So we are good to start. My hair has cooled down. I like to work in 4 sections and work my way up just as I would my natural hair routine. I have my little section ready, and I like to do the chasing method, but I use a paddle brush, like a big brush with a bunch of bristles. This is what I like. I've been doing it like this for years. This is the flat iron that I'm going to be using. So I have it set on 430 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will link this flat iron below for you guys to check it out if you want to. But I am going to be going in with the Flawless Heat Protectant, and this is their Shine Enhancing Heat Protectant Spray, and it says that it protects up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's why I just put it on 430, and I'm actually going to spray the entire section all at once so I don't have to spray all, you know, as I'm going. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it through so that all of the hair is protected. The way I like to do it is put my brush right under here, and I put my hand right on top of my hair, and then I'll just go ahead and take it. And while I'm doing this, I am applying some tension to my hair, and I'm just gonna take the flat iron, and we are just going to press it out. And that's, my friends, is one pass. Just one, and it's super straight. All right, so I will go back in and get my roots a little bit later, but we're basically gonna do this all over my head. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I've already gone through my hair with one pass. Oh my God, it's looking so good. Y'all, with just one pass, my hair looks so nice. I love this. I wanted to also show y'all how I wrap my hair. I feel like I still know how to do it because I did it for so long, you guys. And I'm just gonna use a brush. This is the Felicia Leatherwood brush. I'm just gonna wrap it around. And I'm just gonna keep wrapping this around. All right, y'all. I got it to stay up. Ooh, look at me. Y'all, it's been so long since I wrapped my hair. I didn't think I was gonna get it to stand up by itself, but I did. So it is the next day. We're gonna take it down together. So, ooh, this is what my hair is looking like. And y'all, can we just say length today? Cause you got me some length, sis. Wrapping my hair with it being this long, y'all, is a little different. Okay, it's a little different. Look at how good this is looking. This looks really, really good. Let's do that little shake test. Look at that. Yes, ma'am. And so, look at that. My hair is flowy, nice, healthy looking. Come on, Flawless Products. My hair is not weighed down. It looks amazing. I love it. I love it a lot. So that is pretty much it for this video, y'all. This is my hair. I'm just gonna turn around so y'all can see the back. This is what my hair is looking like. So much hair. And it's raining outside, y'all, so I don't think it's gonna last too long, but it's cute for today, and that's all that matters. Love the Flawless Products. They are so lightweight, and I love that they're geared towards heat protected. So I hope you guys really like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.